Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. This is another day, and I want to quickly share with you how we do the trading setup of a thing. Now, if you look at, remember we've earned our $6, right? Now, the reason you are seeing $3 here is because I kept the rest. Okay, this is it. Let me show you the proof. So our total capital here is our total capital. Yeah. So how we do it now is this particular account here, this particular one is, I'm not compounding here, so this one here is, I need like 10 trade in a day to make $1. Okay, no compounding. So if we should check the result, 0.11 times 10 is going to be more than $1, right? So which means in 2 days I make back this capital. And if possible, I can do more than 10 trade, at least maximum of 20 trade in a day. And if there's loss, there is also loss. We take it. So that's for this. Why this second account here, this one is basically for our compounding. Okay, we are compounding everything, our weekly compounding, and there is the tracker. If you should look at, you are going to see 1.41. So we are done for this week. We are done for this last week. So we are starting a new week by Monday, and we are only going 4 times in a week. That's Monday to Thursday. We are done for this one. So by end of Thursday, we should be having this particular amount in the account. So for now, we are having this amount 1.41 because we are done for the week 1.41. By the following week, we should be having 1.98. So this is our weekly progression here. Now, but this particular one is more like a normal account. So even Monday to Sunday, we keep trading until we are at a loss. Remember, I used to tell you, how to differentiate a profitable trader is not that you won't lose the money, but before you lose the money, how much have you made with the money? That's what differentiates you. So now let's go. Meanwhile, don't forget we still have extra $3. So that means that's exactly our profit that we've made so far, that is logged up. Okay, so let's wait for entry here. Alright, so we saw a signal. All we need is, we are patiently waiting for our entry. We are waiting for the market to come back to this our point of interest here. So once it breaks the point of interest above, we enter for downtrend. So let's wait patiently for that. Alright, so the market does not respect our point of interest. It does not come back there, so it breaks this. So our point of interest has changed. We're expecting the market to come back here above, then we purchase for downtrend. So let's see the result. Alright, we need one more push to the upside. Okay, it has almost want to break one more. Alright, so we sell. This is going to be a selling market, of course. So let's see the outcome. Alright guys, so let's check the outcome. Alright, and this is a downtrend, so we need 9 more trades to go. We might not be able to take everything all at once, but we can always come back. So let's see. I think there's another entry. This is going to be my point of interest. There's another entry. Somewhere here is going to be my point of interest. Good. So immediately the market comes to this point of interest, selling. Alright, I think there's going to be a change in the point of interest. This is going to be our point of interest. and this is going to be our stop loss. So we are expecting the market to come back to that zone. Then we purchase for downtrend. Alright, so this is our point of interest now, and the market has come there, so we need to sell. Okay, so what made me sell is the fact that it breaks this low here. This is the lowest low, and it retests back to my point of interest. So we believe that after a low, then a retest, we expect a low. So that's what I did there. So even if it's not going to come low, we believe that in the next 2 minutes it will not get to this our stop loss here. So that's the concept behind it. Let's wait and see. Alright, so this is already now a buying market. This is going to be my point of interest. I would have entered here, and I mean we are done with this one, but it's still loading. So let's just wait. I need to buy that market. Yes, I need to buy it. Alright, so I'm buying. I bought. So let's wait and see the outcome. So this one is already a win trade already. The sell is already a win trade. So the reason I bought this one is because this is my point of interest here. So it breaks my point of interest. It breaks the eye. It breaks this eye before now. Then it's pulled back. So that's my point of interest. And this is going to be my stop loss. If I bought there, this is going to be my stop loss. Beneath the low, that's my stop loss. So we believe that the market, no matter what it do, it can never come back there. It will always go back up in the next 2 minutes. That's massive. So now we've taken like 3 good trade, 7 more trades to go. Can you see it's really pulling back up? This is a massive push up uptrend. Alright, so this place is no longer valid because we've made use of it. So we are expecting the market to come back here or break this highest high. So we are done. If the market does not come back here on time, and it does not come back up on time to break this, then we are to quit and come back to the market later. This is a winning trade also. Okay, so alright, so I'm assuming we are quitting now. I'm going to stop this video, but we still leave the market to keep playing. If it comes back, I will play the video, and if it does not come back, so this is going to be the end of the tutorial. Alright guys, so we are expecting a buy because this is a new high here. There is a new high here and it breaks it above. So once it comes back to my point of interest, I'm going to purchase the buy. It comes back here and this is going to be my stop loss beneath the low. So we are expecting a buy trade, just waiting for it to come to our entry point. Alright, it hit my point of interest, then I'm buying. So it's as simple as that. Let's wait and see the outcome. Let's see the outcome. Of course, it's surely going to be an uptrend, and if it's not going to go up, we believe that it can never get to this place from the analysis. So let's wait and see the results. Alright guys, I think it has almost want to hit our stop loss. So and the time is almost done. So let's see whether this thing is going to respect our zone or not. Oh, it has hit the stop loss. Just few seconds left. Let's wait. It has almost want to hit the stop loss. So this is a wrong trade. This is a wrong trade for us. Wow. So which means, because there are 2 points of interest here. This is the first and this is the second. If we have entered at this second, our stop loss would have been here, so which means this second point of interest is a valid point of interest, not this one. This one is invalid. I think it has been taken before now, so that is why this market literally does not respect that. Okay, I'm getting it better here. So there are sometimes we do have two valid point of interest. Come in. There are sometimes we do have two valid point of interest. So the first valid point of interest has been taken and we use it again. I think that is why it's not valid. But this is the main valid one. And if our point of interest is here, our stop loss would have been here. And it would have been a massive good trade for us. Just like this, can you see? It started pushing back up. Now, our stop loss was here. It hit it, but our stop loss is beneath this place. This is when our stop loss is somewhere around here. It would have hit it, but it was a win trade though. So can you see? Almost. That's a wrong entry. We took the wrong trade. So let's carefully analyze. I didn't mean we have enough capital. I would have entered the second entry here. The second entry here. I would have entered it. Alright. Let's see if there is any opportunity again. Now we are expecting the market. The market is now trending. This is good. I like trending markets. So we are expecting the market to break either the up or the low. Then if the market should break the up, our point of interest would be somewhere here and our stop loss will be somewhere here. It's as simple as that. So we are expecting the market to break the blue zone and come back to the green zone, then we enter for uptrend. Now at the moment, if the market should do exactly as I've said, there's no panicking. I know that it can never get to this place because this is a valid point of interest now for uptrend. So it has never come here to mitigate this place. So if it comes here, we believe it's going to go uptrend, like real uptrend. So let's wait for the market to play as we have said, and if it does not play as we have predicted, we are not going to enter the market. We have to wait for another entry. Alright guys, so the market breaks to the downside and our point of interest, our stop loss is going to be here. If the market comes back to our point of interest, which is here, if the market can come back here, our point of interest, then our stop loss is at this particular section here. So of course, if this should also come back as we have predicted, of course this is also going to be a massive down trade. Yes, because this is a new zone. It has not been tested yet. Now let's wait and see the outcome. Well, this is a massive trending market, and from the look of things, after the breakout, the market we've used to retest, it keeps trending down. We are waiting for a retest here, then we purchase for downtrend. But if there's no retest, there's nothing we can do to it. The retest is our point of interest, which is our POI. If it does not come there and it forms a new high and new lows here, then we have to change our entry. Alright, so this is going to be a sell market also because of what we saw. Now from the left hand side, we are going to see this, that there is more like a low here and it breaks that low. It breaks the low, so it breaks this blue line here. Then our point of interest is at this green zone here, and we expect that the market, no matter how long it goes, it can never get to this red zone here. So now this particular section has not been mitigated yet also, so we believe that this is going to be a massive push to the downside also within that 2 minutes, or it will never get to this place. Alright, so this is going to be our last trade, and of course we know we have that mindset that it's going to be a winning trade, of course, because it was carefully entered and this zone has not been mitigated yet. So let's wait and see the results. Alright guys, so let's check the results now. Okay, so this is also a winning trade. It's as simple as that. So the market literally went down, and from the look of things, it's still going to keep coming down for now. So now that it is a winning trade for us, we are done for the moment. We've taken 5 trades, so we need 5 more trades. See you guys later.